Welcome back everybody to this multiple part crypto educational series. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video talking about crypto exchanges as well as why Coinbase is my favorite exchange. In today's video, I will be talking about where to find where a crypto is located and what exchange you could buy it off of. So what I like to use is CoinMarketCap as it provides a lot of education. It provides also charts and everything honestly you really need to know about trading crypto. So as I said, there's a lot of education and I like to use CoinMarketCap for this education. Now, you guys might see me send screenshots a lot of time off of CoinMarketCap, looking at the cryptos, exchanges, blah, 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 all this type of stuff. But what I really like to focus on is market cap as well as the 24-hour volume, the dominance, and the ETH gas. Now, this is just an interesting fact how much crypto there is. It's 10,500. I remember a couple months seeing this back and it was around like 9,000. Even it was around like 8,900 at one point. So every day they're adding new cryptos. Those are going to be anywhere from meme coins to actual legitimate projects. And you'll see how many exchanges there are, which is around 382. So obviously 10,500 cryptos are going to be spread around 382 exchanges. And that's just how it is. Not every exchange is going to have every single cryptocurrency. But what I like to do on CoinMarketCap is take a look at the market cap. This is a very good indication on how the market is acting and reacting. The lower the market cap, obviously, the bloodier the market is. Market cap of 1.5 trillion is very low. Honestly, I remember seeing 1.5 trillion back in like February. So a 1.5 trillion market cap is not the best, but I mean, we're going to have to make do. As you guys know, there is a lot of bearish environment around, and hopefully it doesn't stay that way. I mean, just looking at the charts, that's why I like to use CoinMarketCap, because you could see all the time-sensitive information right away. Bitcoin 35.6, Ethereum 2.192. I mean, these are really low prices, and I hope we don't go lower, but we have to see. I sent out an alert today saying that if Bitcoin closes under 36 before the end of the day, that might be really bad. Closing at 36 on the daily time frame might be very bearish, and we might see a more extended bearish consolidation, basically. So a longer bearish time frame. But let's just get into the information that I wanted to cover. So as I said, market cap, this is a very good tool to use. 24 trading volume, this is excellent. Obviously, the lower the volume, that means a lot of people aren't trading. That means there's not much movement in the markets. If you see the volume very low, but a very high percentage, like today on Bitcoin, 5%, with this low volume, like a good volume, a high volume is like 300 bill. Low volume is this. This is extremely low volume. We usually average anywhere from 180 to 200 bill. So 81 is extremely low. So when you see very high volume with extremely low percentage, you could tell that it is kind of just big players moving around and it's manipulation. Why? Because a little amount of volume caused a massive dump. But I also like to look at dominance, BTC 45, ETH 17. It's always good to look at how much the dominance for the overall market is Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Bitcoin dominance is basically going to tell you the dominance for Bitcoin and the dominance for Ethereum, obviously out of 100%, because the whole entire crypto market is going to be 100%. And then 45% of that is going to be Bitcoin. This is based off of market cap. And then 17% is going to be Ethereum. Now, it is always excellent to watch Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance. Obviously, the lower the Bitcoin dominance, that means Bitcoin's probably either absolutely plummeting and Ethereum staying the same, or Bitcoin might be staying the same and Ethereum is just absolutely skyrocketing. But you want to see Bitcoin kind of stay around the 40s and Ethereum around 17.2. That is quite high. I remember seeing Ethereum at like 7 while Bitcoin was in the 60s. I do believe, though, at one point Bitcoin might actually reach all the way to the 30s, where we see Ethereum also in the 20s, which means that Ethereum would probably be around 8K, something like that. But that's very future outlook. Now, looking at the actual thing I wanted to cover, which is how to find where a coin is found, I'm just kind of showing you how to use CoinMarketCap as a whole, because there's a lot of good information on CoinMarketCap. So what you do is you just click on any coin that you want. So for example, let's click Bitcoin. It gives you all this good information, the rank, the coin, the number of people who have Bitcoin on their watch list. So if a lot of people have it on their watch list, that could be a good indication that a lot of people are bullish on it, etc., etc. And then they give you the low of the day and the high of the day, as well as how much the actual price of the coin is, the percentages it's down for the day, And then I guess this is how much ETH it would take to buy Bitcoin. I don't know why they have that. Market cap, Bitcoin's market cap is at 660 billion. That's actually insane because I remember seeing this at 1 trillion. Honestly, I didn't think that was the right number. The volume for the day, so you could see 35 billion volume for the day traded volume. Circulation for Bitcoin is 18.7 million. They tell you the max supply and the total supply that's currently circulating, which is excellent. A bunch of information once again. Then you can kind of see they have a chart for you. You could look through all the charts. And then all this Bitcoin price statistics, as I said, price change, 24-hour low, trading volume, etc., market rank, Bitcoin market cap, all this. And then they also give you like a bit of information about Bitcoin, which is excellent. What is Bitcoin? Who are the founders of Bitcoin? Blah, blah, blah. And they do this for every coin. They provide as much information as they possibly can for every single coin. Obviously, some coins might be lacking in information as a lot of them are newer. And all that good stuff. So then if you kind of just enter here, this is the page that you'll kind of see whenever you click on a coin. If you just click market, this will show you exactly where that coin is traded and in what pairs. So for example, Bitcoin is traded on Binance in the Bitcoin USDT pair. That means if you own USDT on Binance, you could buy Bitcoin. It even tells you the price because each exchange will have a different price, because basically you just have to think of each exchange as a marketplace. So there is no fixed price for Bitcoin. When it shows you this number, this is the average of all the exchanges price points. So as you can see, Binance has it for 35,659. Well, Huobi Global, whatever, has it for 35,654. So you see there's a couple dollar difference. Sometimes it could be a couple $100 difference. It's not going to really be a couple $1,000 difference. It's going to be a very small difference. So as you can see, every single exchange that trades Bitcoin is listed, as well as all the currency pairs. So you could buy it in USD, you could buy it in KRW, you could buy it in GPY, all these different, you could buy it in Euro, you could buy it in BNB, all these different things. Okay, so this is for Bitcoin. That's going to be like a major coin. But say for example we go to, I don't know, SafeMoon, for example. You just type in SafeMoon, and then you just go markets. Once again, gives you all this beautiful information. If it has a smart contract, it will provide the smart contract, and then market cap to bill, fully diluted, blah blah blah, circulating supply, the total supply, all that good stuff. As I said, click markets. It will tell you, wow, it got listed on a lot more exchanges. So it'll tell you Gate.io, you can buy SafeMoon for USDT, USDT, BUSD, BUSD, all this different stuff. Now, obviously, if there is USDT and BNB, the price is not going to be the exact same because USDT is for $1 and BNB is for $300. So you might see like a smaller price for BNB, but that doesn't mean it's cheaper. It's just because you're trading it on the BNB pair, not the USDT pair. So that's exactly how you find what exchange and what pair it is traded on. Obviously, always make sure you're trading the right pair. You don't want to be buying SafeMoon on BNB if you want it on SafeMoon USDT. So always make sure that the pair that you want to buy is there. And that's really it. CoinMarketCap is extremely useful. It has a lot of information, so I definitely do recommend using it. And I hope you find this educational. I'll see you guys in the next video.